Subscribe our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook, visit our website.
Hi, today's topic is how to process advance pay. Before the employee get their final salary, if the employee is asking for an advance, first to set up, go to payroll, open pending payroll, double click on the money back of advance paid, select the transaction date, the post date, and the employee name. Input the description and also for the amount. Click on the discard icon to save it. Return to the open pending payroll. Right click. Then refresh. As you can see, system auto post an advance deduct once an advance paid been created. To process the advance paid, go to payroll, new payroll. Select the ad hoc payroll. Check the transaction posting for the year and also for the month. Check the payroll transaction for the process date and the process period. Make sure that same date with the advance. Ignore the contribution setting. From the process option, choose monthly fixed allowance pending payroll. And under the pending transaction setting, make sure you must tick for advance paid. After that, click on OK. From the right side of the employee list, right click on one of the employee name. Choose Clear All and only tick for the employee name which is asking for advance. Go down to the process button, and here is where the ad hoc been processed for nickel. Double click on the nickel name to show the info for the advance paid on the right side. Save it, and you are able to print out a payslip for advance. When the time you process for the final payroll, same with go to payroll, new payroll, choose final payroll. After you process it, from the final payroll for nickel, you will see that it's auto posting for advance deduct. That's all for today's video. And have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.